advice do you have for actors that are new to the industry, or actors who have not yet taken the leap to kind of the best, to putting their best foot forward and launching their careers? Something that worked for you, something, hindsight is 2020, that you wish you had done when you were starting.
I would say the thing that I wish I had done the most is more training. I wish I'd done more training, created more of a foundation for what I do, so if I do get nervous, I have something more to fall back on.
Mm-hmm.
But I would say what worked for me, I guess, is just, you just have to be good, be kind, be realistic, have goals, have dreams, but keep them in check. Try not to compare yourself to other people, which is so natural. I'll find myself comparing for a minute and I'm like, what am I doing? Or right person, or there's the person for the role, and then, or there's not, so you can't compare and say, oh, that person got it. It's whatever the director or producer saw. So yeah, just be prepared. Like I said, keep on self-taping or whatever, be kind, have your materials ready. So, if you're thinking about getting into it and you can't think of yourself doing anything else, then go for it. This is your life. This is your one life. So what do you have to lose, especially if you're young, right?
Right, exactly. It's, I feel like there's so many regrets of the things that we don't do. It's like, I don't want to live my life and think, oh, what if I had done that? What if I had done this? It's like, just go bold. Just do it. If you have that dream that's playing on loop inside of you in your heart, you gotta go all in.
Yeah, so you don't question it later, like I should have done this. And yeah, like I said, like more training, maybe some more theater would be nice for my background. But definitely ask people like Jamie for advice, or myself, but there's no clear path. That's the one thing. Just go for it. There's no clear path.
I wholeheartedly agree. I feel like this is one thing too. There are right things to do, but there's no one way. It's like what works for someone and how they got there. You'll find a million other different ways of how people, booked work and found stuff and elevated their career. So I think that's such an excellent point.
Yeah, build those connections, but don't purposely use people. Don't build the connection to use people. Build connections to have good relationships that last and give you a solid foundation of sanity in the business.
So important.